Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlock. Today we're going to be continuing on with the Philips Hue series that we started. And in the previous episode, we basically unboxed all the Philips Hue stuff. We kind of set it all up and stuff. But in this episode, we're going to be setting up the actual LED strip itself that is on my desk. We're going to be removing the old LED strip that is from Minger. So it's going to be pretty exciting. But before we do any of that, let's do a quick little recap of what on earth is going on in this little networking area. So we've got my router right here. From the router, there is a 0.5 meter cable running from one of the router ports all the way to the Philips Hue Bridge or Smart Hub right here. So that's currently got like 3 lights. One of them is flashing. I think that's like the internet light. I don't know what that means. But anyway, we've got that all set up now. We've downloaded the app on our phone. And the next thing we have to do, I think, is actually set up one of the LED strips. But before we do any of that, we have to get rid of the old one. So the LED strip that's currently in my setup is the Minger one. I reviewed it like a few days ago. You can check out my video all about that. The actual controller for it is actually dangling down here, which may be a problem. So let's go ahead and get rid of this LED strip from my setup entirely and stick on this Philips Hue one instead. By the way, all the things we unboxed in episode 1, everything came with like a manual, a quick start guide. So we have like 50 little booklets in this little box right here, all with quick start guides and manuals. So if we do get lost and I don't know what on earth to do or how to set these up, we've got help in here. Alright, cool. We've taken off the old LED strip. Here it is. It's freaking changing colors and stuff. So now it's time to attach the Philips Hue one. Alright, so now I've completely taken off the entire LED strip and the power source as well. And because this was a Bluetooth LED strip, I still wanted some sort of way to be able to turn it off and on via my Amazon Echo.
Hi there.
And the app on TP-Link Castle as well. So what I did is I plugged the whole strip into a TP-Link smart plug. But at least with Philips Hue, it's a much smaller setup. We don't have to plug the whole LED strip into a freaking smart plug in order to be able to turn it off and on via our Amazon Echo or something. So much smaller setup, and hopefully it all works quite well. So there are even like some 3M sticky pads at the bottom of this little hub right here. That's quite nice of them. So let's plug this guy in, stick this onto my desk, add these extension cables as well, and hopefully it's all gonna look pretty good. So let's go ahead and continue on. We're slowly making progress. Alright, we're finally done. We've set the entire LED strip up from one end of the desk right there, going all the way across the entire desk and into my second desk right here. So we even have a full meter of the extension cable left. I bought one too many, as it kind of ends there and there's no real point adding like an extra full meter or adding like a few centimeters there and actually cutting it off. So I think I might leave it like that for now, and maybe in the future we might add the extra extension cable either there or just somewhere else in general, you know. But now I think it's time to hop back into the Philips Hue app and continue setting everything up. Alright, cool. So I guess we're back where we left off, to be honest. So we have to add a light. Now when I press add light, it's going to, I guess, search it. Now it might find it. Okay, Hue light strip +1. We press next, create a room. This will be bedroom. Cool, we've set that up. What happens now? Congratulations, your Hue app is up and running. Your lights are on. Your lights are, ooh, okay. Kind of fades in. Oh, this is just the brightness of the LED strip. Anyway, let's mess around with some colors and stuff. Oh, it is super responsive. As you can see there, as I'm dragging it along the actual color wheel, it changes to that color immediately. That's fantastic. Let's go into skills and download the Philips Hue skill. Philips Hue, yep, that's the one we want. Enable. Now, yeah, I need to make an account for here as well. Do we trust this application? Yes, we do. Cool, Hue has been linked. Let's discover devices and see if it finds the LED strip. Okay, it's found apparently, oh my lord. Okay, it's found everything again. Cool. all hue lights. Set color. Cyan. Red. Red, sir. Cool white. Cool, everything works quite well on here. Very nice. We can turn it off. We can turn it on. We can adjust the brightness and things. Very nice. All right, so let's go ahead and try this with the Amazon Echo. Turn off all hue lights.
Okay.
There we go, that worked. Turn on all hue lights.
Okay.
That's pretty quick as well. Now what we have to do now, I think, is set it up with Razer Synapse. So let's power up the PC and boot up Razer Synapse 3. Alright, so my PC is booted up now, and on the Razer Synapse software, we have a dedicated Philips Hue module right here. So if we press on that one here, what will happen? Alright, scanning for Hue bridges. Will it find it? I have a feeling, because this software is so broken that it probably won't. Oh, it has! It's found the Hue bridge! Yes, alright. Push link button to complete pairing. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. It's like every single time you have to pair something, you have to come and press the button right there. Apparently it says, no entertainment area found. Use the Philips Hue app on your iOS or Android device to create an entertainment area. Alright, let's go ahead and set up a freaking entertainment area then. How do you do that? New scene? I know nothing about this, alright? Hue entertainment, there we go. Maybe this is what we need. Razer. In the accessory setup, apparently it's found the dimmer switch. Now, does the dimmer switch actually work? Oh, it's not configured, so dimmer switch. Option 1, it's never been used. Alright, so I'm on the app right now. It says, oh, where? Okay, bedroom. Will this work now? I'm guessing this is off. Guessing that's on. Okay, save. Maybe I didn't save it. Alright, cool. Okay. Oh my god, it does work! I just decreased the brightness. I'm increasing it now. I can turn it off. I can turn it on. Damn, dude, it actually works. Nice. Also under settings, there's also the entertainment areas. I think this is what we need. So create area, bedroom. With the one light strip that we have, we notice that you selected do not have richer colors. Okay. Wait, what? We have to get a software update? Okay. Oh, so it's downloading the update right now. Cool. So I guess this entertainment mode is going to allow me to control it via Razer Synapse. I hope. It says it can take up to an hour per light or accessory to download. What the? Alright, so I'm going to put my phone down and probably come back in like an hour when this is done updating an LED strip for an hour. What the hell? What are you downloading? Alright, so I think we're good to go now. If I go on entertainment areas now, and I can probably create an area, I think, because I just updated everything. It took like half an hour to update everything. Before continuing, make sure your lights are powered on. They are. Whoa. Drag all the lights to the corresponding area. They're in front of me. Watch the light blink. What the heck? That's pretty cool. Okay, test area. Test synchronization. I pressed needs adjustment because they weren't really syncing up properly. But now they are. Yeah, that looks good. Cool. So that was kind of like a fade mode. Alright, so let's try this again. We've now updated everything. Press scan. It's detect the Hue bridge. I don't know what's going to happen now. I've never done this before. Okay, we have entertainment area 1. That's all working. Oh man, this is crazy, dude. Spectrum cycle, static. What the heck? There's no wave mode? Wait, oh, you can go into Chroma Studio and configure this. Oh my lord. So the LED strip is kind of like, you know, in front of me now. Let's select it and let's add a wave. I don't know if wave works. I'll be so impressed. It's not really a wave, it's just flashing. What the heck is this? I thought you supported wave, like as an actual wave effect. Well, that's kind of disappointing. I thought we had a wave effect on here. I guess not, but right, okay. So clearly wave isn't a thing. If we just set everything to, let's say, the color green. Okay, cool. So we'll set all my peripherals and the entire desk to the color green. And what we'll do, I'm getting loads of emails now because I just posted a video. What I'll do is we'll connect this Chroma Effect 1 to a game, for example, like CSGO. Okay, cool. Right, so I've duplicated the effect. I'll now name this Adobe Premiere, as I usually have an Adobe Premiere effect anyway. We'll go back onto Profiles, Chroma Studio. We'll link Adobe Premiere to the Adobe Premiere program. Now, in theory, when I launch it, oh, I'm actually on the profile already. Right, let's go back to default. Right, so we're on the default profile now, and like I said, when I go into Premiere, because it's linked, there we go. Cool, it switches to Premiere. Well, this probably takes some time getting used to and setting everything up, but it does work, and the LED strips are, I think, the brightest I've ever seen. Like, they are genuinely very bright. But I really did expect the effects to be a lot better than this. Like, I expected the wave effect to mimic an actual, like, wave effect, not just cycle throughout the entire LED strip, like, as one color. So I'll see if I can find a way to work around that. There is a cool app called GameDog that works very well with CSGO. So I've just launched it. The Philips Hue strip flashed, and so did everything else. And we might just have all my peripherals and the LED strip reacting to what's going on in CSGO. Now, I know that my peripherals will probably react, but I wonder if it also works with the light strip. I really have no idea. The NZXT lighting will also react to what's going on in-game. Okay, so my keyboard's lit up, I've got all my controls here and stuff, everything's working. Let's see if I flash myself. Will the strip turn white? No, it didn't. It's not really been detected as a proper... Ah, damn, okay. If I stand in fire, my keyboard will turn red. See? So I'm standing in fire, and now I'll die. But the light strip isn't reacting. Alright, so it's the next day right now. Last night we set everything up. I set up the LED strip, I removed the old one. My room currently looks like a freaking war zone. There's just LED strips everywhere and water bottles. I need to kind of really clean my room right now. But anyway, I think I'm going to be ending this video here. I will have a follow-up video showing you all the profiles I set up with Razer Synapse and the Philips Hue LED strip in the next couple of weeks, whilst I get used to using the LED strip and whilst I learn how to fully utilize all of it. So expect a follow-up video in the next few weeks to come out, showing you all the Razer Synapse software and the Philips Hue stuff. So apart from that, thank you very much for watching today's video. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button down below. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and stay tuned for that other Razer video. Also, this TechBlock hoodie that I'm wearing right now is now available on genie.us/TechBlock. If you want to go pick up some TechBlock merch, this is probably my favorite hoodie design yet, even though we've only had this and another one. But yeah, pretty cool hoodie. Pick it up if you want to, and massive shout out to everyone else who's picked up merch over the past month or two that it's been live. So massive shout out to everyone else who's picked up merch. But apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.